Hello everyone. I welcome you all for today's webinar session on problem solution essay. My name is Simran and I am representing Crosslink Education. At Crosslink, we have trained more than 1,000 students. I'll just give you a brief for a minute that we have a successful history of all the students who wanted the desired scores. They have even scored more. We also have a successful history of magical scores 8777, right? You can see our success stories. And many students have got their visa to UK, Canada, Australia. Even we got 3 latest results yesterday only, and all were academic students and got 7+, overall 7+. You could be one of them if you join Crosslink Education. This is some of the feedback given by our students and many more. You could see on our website, on Google. Okay, before beginning the webinar, I just want to say that I am going to use mixed language, both English and Hindi, for your understanding. And I have muted everyone so that there is pin drop silence. We could understand what is being taught in the webinar. And in the end, I have spared 15 minutes where you can discuss your doubts or all your queries. So let's begin with today's writing task 2 topic, which is causes problem solution essay. This is an important topic and examiners often give this topic because it is really easy to write, but it has some important things that you need to keep in mind to score 7+. So in this webinar, we will understand what are causes problem solution essay. So by the end of this webinar, you will be able to read and understand the question carefully. You will understand how do we do the planning because it is really important. I'll tell you the band 7+ format. We'll help you to understand how do we paraphrase the question, which is actually important. You'll learn the usage of connectors, topic-specific vocabulary, and yes, a band 7.5 essay model answer so that you get to know what is actually band 7.5 essay. So let's understand this with a question. So the question is, some students work while studying. This often results in lacking time for education and constantly feeling under pressure. See, so they have given you a question that some students work while studying. कुछ students को पढ़ाई के साथ-साथ काम करना. In short, we can say part-time jobs, right? So students like to do part-time jobs while they are studying, due to which they often have less time for their education, and as a result, they are always under constant pressure. So you can get such type of question in 3 ways. Either the examiner can ask you what are the causes and solutions. Causes means reasons. वो आपसे reasons पूछ रहे हैं. What are the reasons? Why are students opting for part-time jobs? Do not mix it with the problems. उसने problems नहीं पूछी है, उसने आपसे causes पूछा है. What are the causes? What are the reasons? And solutions, that how the things could be sorted. Then they could even ask you why is this happening and how it can be solved. That why are students opting for part-time jobs and how it can be solved. And the other way the question could be asked is what are the reasons behind it and what can be done to solve it. So if you get any of the question type, you must understand that this is a causes and solution essay. Okay. So the first important thing that we need to do is our planning part. Right? Because planning is really important. For that, you need to spare at least 5 to 7 minutes in which you will do the brainstorming. Otherwise, it would be of no use to write an essay because there would be many points that will come in your mind and you will simply erase it and rewrite it. So that would be of no use. Simply, it would make your essay a bit time consuming actually. So let's understand how do we need to do planning. So for planning, you will use a structure that is very simple. You will simply plan your essay that what could be the 2 reasons that I am going to explain in body paragraph 1 and 2 solutions only in body paragraph number 2, right? So see, you would see many essays on net where they would have given that one reason, one solution in one paragraph, another reason, another solution in another paragraph. I won't say it would be wrong, but it actually loses your mark somewhere in coherence and cohesion because there must be organization of your ideas, right? So it is better that you write both the reasons or maybe both the problems in body paragraph 1 and both the solutions in body paragraph number 2. So let's do the planning. So the topic was that some students work while studying. So what could be the reasons that they opt part-time job? Reason 1 is high cost of education. Maybe because fees is comparatively high and families cannot afford it. It could be one reason. And what could be the another reason? To gain experience. Because people nowadays want to gain experience to have better career prospects so that they could get good jobs, right? So these 2 reasons, we are going to explain these 2 reasons, that high cost of education, बहुत ही महंगी पढ़ाई है. If you see universities, even in India or maybe abroad, they are charging lakhs of rupees per semester. So this is one of the reasons that students actually opt for part-time job. And another reason, which is very usual these days, that people opt for correspondence and they do some part-time jobs or maybe full-time jobs so that they could gain experience actually. Now, in body paragraph 2, we are going to tell the solutions. So your solutions must link with the reason. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए you are writing some another reason and all together आपका solution कुछ और है. There must be link, right? So for high cost of education, your solution could be scholarships to high performing students so that they can focus on their study. And for experience, maybe if they get the practical exposure or maybe in-field training during their studies so that they could get good jobs, it could help them that they focus only on their study and they may not feel pressurized. So let's understand the format. Please note down this format. It is really important if you are aiming for 7 or 7+. Because it is a format that is actually organized and it will help your essay to look a perfect essay. So the first paragraph would be an introduction. So an introduction, there would be a general statement. See, what is this general statement? General statement means that you are going to briefly introduce what the topic is all about. Say for example, this topic is about part-time jobs. So मेरा general statement वो होगा. Or it could be maybe the topics about health or schools, teachers. So this is what is known as general statement. Then we are going to paraphrase the question. We are going to rewrite the question. Ki what is being written in the question? We need to paraphrase it, maybe by using synonyms, or maybe by changing the form, or maybe you are replacing their position, right? And then a thesis statement, which is really, really important because thesis statement actually tells the examiner that what are you going to explain in the further paragraphs. अगर आप thesis statement नहीं लिखोगे, or a very famous line which I have seen many students copying, that there are many reasons and solutions that we are going to discuss in upcoming paragraphs. Examiner will simply write it down as memorized statement. कि ये memorized statement है. You have not used your idea, right? So instead of writing that memorized statement, you can simply write down, this is mainly due to dash and dash, both two reasons which we have discussed earlier, that high cost of education and desire to gain experience. So you will tell the general statement, you will paraphrase the question, and you will simply write down, this is mainly due to dash and dash, the reasons. However, so see, this is really important. So you are telling कि ठीक है, इसके पीछे reasons होंगे. However, there are numerous solutions that can be implemented. बहुत सारे solutions हैं जिसको हम implement कर सकते हैं, right? Then after introduction comes body paragraph 1, where you will explain both the reasons. So you will always start your body paragraph 1 with one of the key reasons. Reasons आएगा, plural, not reason. One of the key reasons is, so you will explain the first reason. I hope you remember we have discussed this PEE model in our previous webinars, right? So you will tell your point, you will explain it, you will give an example, a supporting example, right? And another key reason, both the reasons in one body paragraph only, right? Then in another body paragraph, you'll tell the solutions. You'll tell that there are several solutions that can help to tackle the situation. So earlier we wrote that there are numerous solutions that can be implemented. Later we wrote there are several solutions that can help to tackle. So see, I have not repeated any idea. So both the solutions, firstly, you will explain that solution. Secondly, you will explain the another solution. Remember, reason और solution का आपस में link होना चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं you are writing altogether different reason and altogether different solution. Make sure you are not going to get marks in coherence and cohesion, because link ही नहीं है बातों का आपस में. And in conclusion, you are simply going to write down to conclude. Just one important tip. Always write down to conclude, or maybe to reiterate or recapitulate or to sum up. Only these are the few formal words. ये चीजें मत लिखना, that hammering the last nail or penning down. I have seen many students using such words, to pen down, hammering the last nail. Yeah, all these things are very informal. So it's of no use of writing such words. So it's better to write down to conclude, because you are not going to get marks for this, because it is simply showing that you are concluding your topic. So to conclude, dash and dash are the reasons why, again your question, and only when, see, understand, this is an inversion, only when inversion, right? Only when dash and dash are implemented. So you will tell the solutions, only when dash and dash solutions are implemented will the problem of dash be solved. I hope this format is clear, right? And you do not have any doubt regarding this format, because it is actually important. Now let's understand it with a band 7.5 essay. You will get to know how a band 7.5 essay looks like. Maybe you are really close to it, and just by making few errors, you are not getting your desired score. So the question was, some students work while studying. This often results in lacking time for education and constantly feeling under pressure. What are the causes and solutions? So this was the latest question before COVID. which was in the exam. So I took the same question only. So in introduction, you will do the paraphrasing technique, which is either you can use synonyms and you will paraphrase and write a thesis statement giving the glimpse of essay. Remember, do not copy the question. Paraphrase it. So see how I have written the introduction. I have simply said nowadays, part-time jobs are becoming increasingly popular among students, but this results in stress and lack of time for them to study. So I have made the general statement plus paraphrasing together that nowadays part-time jobs are becoming increasingly popular, but this results in stress and lack of time for them to study. This is mainly due to, so see my thesis statement, this is mainly due to the high cost of education and students' desire to gain experience. However, there are numerous measures that can be implemented to resolve the situation. So this is a perfect introduction. Your introduction should not be more than 50 words, either 30 to 40 words only, right? Okay. So now we'll talk about body paragraph 1. So in body paragraph 1, we'll tell both the reasons. So it would be, one of the key reasons is the high cost of education. It is often seen, ऐसा अक्सर देखा जाता है, because this is, remember hedging we have done in the last webinar. Hedging, it is often seen fees at tertiary level, sorry, it would be is. So fees at tertiary level is comparatively high and some families cannot afford them. As a result, see the connector, usage of connector. As a result, इसकी वजह से क्या होता है? Students generally choose to do part-time jobs such as being a waiter, receptionist, or delivery boy in order to earn extra income. Then I have given an example. Students often work night shifts and attend college during daytime so that they can meet overhead expenses such as accommodation or electricity bills. Then another reason why students opt for temporary jobs is to gain experience and exposure in order to, ये देखो phrases जो मैं use कर रही हूँ, in order to have better career prospects. They usually believe that without any work experience, they may find difficulty in applying for their jobs. Also, I have added one more supporting idea. Many master or PhD courses select students who have prior work experience in their respective field of study, which also encourages youngsters to take on employment while they study. Please, if you have any doubts, just note it down. In the end, I'm going to take all your doubts, right? So in body paragraph 2, again, both the solutions. So there are various solutions that can be implemented. Firstly, the first solution, scholarship. Now see, a very advanced language sentence. If students get financial aid, so I have used a condition, if. So you can always use conditional sentences while writing causes problem solution essay, because this is the best way you can show a range of sentences. So if students get financial aid, not only will it help them to focus on their study, but it will also allow them to do more creative things. Secondly, colleges can provide in-field training as part of curriculum because it will certainly help students to have practical knowledge. Thus, see, मैंने बहुत सारे connectors नहीं use करे. Students actually do moreover. अगले sentence में in addition, then, therefore, as a result. So it is considered as excessive use of connectors. वो नहीं करना आपको. Simple. Thus, it will help them to get a good job. Although I concede it would be challenging task. मैं मानती हूँ it would be challenging for colleges. It would help many students in the long run. Now conclusions, where you will simply summarize your main points, your opinion, that's it, nothing more than that. So to conclude, the need to gain experience and money to support themselves are the two main reasons why students have part-time job. Only when scholarships and on-field training is provided will the students be able to give up working in their free time, right? I hope the topic is clear, but if you see, I have used some topic specific vocabulary words. Yes, they are 7+ words because they are topic specific. Tertiary level, part-time jobs, temporary jobs, exposure, accommodation, career prospects, college authorities, curriculum, financial assistance. So all these words are topic specific vocabulary. So this topic specific vocabulary is what you are being required to use in your essay. आप लोग क्या करते हो? You just simply cram some difficult words and you vomit it in your essay, and then you say examiner marks ही नहीं देता, इतनी अच्छी vocabulary use करी थी. But students, we need to use topic specific vocabulary only. So let's have a look at the essay, complete essay, where there are linking words and expressions. One of the key reasons, as a result, another reason also, firstly, secondly, if, not only, to conclude. See, there is a limited use of connectors, but the correct use. So join us and you will get free study resources, personalized classes, mock test series, essay evaluations, vocabulary notes, collocation list, and yes, free band 7+ essay model answers. And this is a special offer for everyone. For academic, if you want personalized sessions, this is the fee structure for batch sessions. And for general training, if you want personalized or batch sessions, and yes, this is a special offer for a fast track course for all those who are planning to appear in next 10 days and they want to have a fast track course, they can avail this offer in just $14.99. This is a superb offer which you can avail, right? I think this is the best thing you can do. These are the two modes of payment. Either you can do NEFT, RTGS, or IMPS to our following bank accounts. Or you can do Paytm, PhonePe, Google Pay on this number. Just note down this number. Okay. Before any doubts, taking your doubts, just simply note down these numbers. If you have any query regarding admissions or for study abroad and PR, you can contact on these numbers. Simply take a screenshot or note it down, and then I'm going to take all your doubts. Okay, so let's take all your doubts. Now you can unmute yourself and ask your doubts. Yes, anyone? Any doubt? No doubt, all clear. So,
Ma'am, can you show me your essay one more time?
complete essay?
Yeah.
Just a second. Okay. Let me screen share the slide with you.
Ma'am, I have just made the payment on Google Pay. Can you please confirm has it received or not?
Just a second, let me check. Yes, I have received it. Thank you. Okay.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Gurleen, yeah. I hope your the essay is visible. Gurleen, any doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
Okay. You just simply
It's
want to see the
clear.
essay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah. Hi, Mohit. Hanji.
Yeah. Actually, I have a question that if a person
You need to increase your voice. You are not clear.
now I am audible.
Yeah.
I have one question. If a
Mhm.
person is sitting on level 5.5 or 6, so how you can help to that to increase on band level 7 or above in writing?
See, for that, you need to take full sessions, right? Because I won't recommend 10 sessions can actually help you to jump from 5.5 to 7. But what we are going to do is we will firstly tell you the formats that are actually required. Then we'll tell you how do we need to do brainstorming, which is actually important, and then we are going to evaluate your essays and give you the feedback that where you are going wrong and how you need to correct it. So the continuous evaluation and continuous feedback from the trainer is actually going to increase your score from 5.5 to 7 or 7 plus. Because
Okay, so
get to
how
know
long
that
it will take to process
so you are appearing for academic or general?
academic?
Academic. I think you need to take sessions for at least 1 month, and then you can definitely score 7 plus with following the things that a trainer says and just doing hard work. You can definitely get maybe 7 or 7 plus.
Because as I know that the format that you are sharing is very good and helpful to increase that, but it can't be memorized in terms of examiner so that they can deduct marks for the fixed format.
See,
Is it
if you
not?
have seen the format clearly, there was nothing that looks memorized. That was very simple. And it is actually 7 plus format. Why? Because things were organized. हम लोग ये सोचते हैं कि 7 प्लस वाला ऐसे होगा जिसमें बहुत हाई वोकैबुलरी वर्ड्स होंगे या कोई बहुत एडवांस वे में लिखा होगा. ऐसा नहीं होता. If you write it basic using the correct format, correct technique, right? And if you know, if your trainer tells you that these are do's and don'ts that you need to follow in your exam, then definitely you can get 7.
Okay, so because in a short span of time, I can't increase my vocab and grammar skill as per the
If you would have,
requirement of the.
exactly, and I simply said you do not need to cram those vocabulary words and vomit it out. उसका कोई use ही नहीं. आप 10,000 words भी याद कर लोगे, on day of your exam आपको एक भी word याद नहीं आएगा. Trust me.
Yeah.
ऐसा होगा.
Yes, because we have a different essay type, the 5 essay type, and anyone can come in the exam. So we need to prepare for the all.
Exactly. So for that, you need to prepare all using the correct format and getting correct evaluation from us, right?
Okay. So how many classes are there for writing top session?
So you only want writing module or complete course?
I want complete, but I mainly focus on writing because that's a pain area for everyone, and the average score for writing is very low as compared to other modules.
See, that we can customize according to your needs, right? I hope you have written all the number of admissions and everything. So you can simply call on those numbers, or maybe you can drop your number in my chat box. We'll connect with you soon and we'll simply customize your course according to your needs, that you want more of writing sessions, right?
Okay, so when you're able to free so that we can talk and customize.
Just simply after the webinar. Or
okay, no problem.
You can simply call, and maybe after 10-15 minutes, you just drop your number, Mohit.
Okay, ma'am. I will do that.
Just drop it in my chat box.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, Ganesh.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you tell me the full course fees? I want if I do full course because
Uh,
I'm a student, so that's the reason.
you want to go for academic?
No, ma'am, for general.
General. So you want personalized classes, Ganeeb, or you want batch classes?
Ma'am, batch classes.
Batch classes. So I am again sharing the fees with you, everyone, so that you can decide your
Okay.
right, and you can simply choose that for which course you are going to apply, and you can simply do the payment and start your classes from tomorrow itself, right?
Okay. Ma'am, in batch there are 40 classes, na?
Yes.
In the 40 classes, the person gets very confident and gets clear.
Yes, you are definitely going to learn from your batch
If,
as well.
ma'am, is there in any, you can say that any point the person is lack, then how you can help?
See, if I feel that, say for example, there are 4 students in your batch, right?
Okay,
You
okay,
are not able to cope with them in a particular topic, right? So
okay,
I'm going to give you an extra session on that so that it becomes more clear to you, right? And you
okay,
actually you are able to do or maybe solve that particular topic or understand it more clearly.
okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I
Okay.
have a doubt.
Okay. Yeah. Hi, Rishi.
Yeah, ma'am. In a essay which we have written right now, if you see that, I feel that it's a repetition of idea in 3 paragraphs. The
Okay.
causes. In
Okay.
the first passage, we have talked about a cause. In the second paragraph, also we have talked about a cause. And if we conclusion also, we have talked about the causes also. I would say. Don't you feel that it's a repetition of idea as per the who is checking a paper? He find that they don't have an idea, or they don't have they're lacking of words. You guide me out. I think you're able to understand my question right now.
Yeah. See, what happens is basically जो IELTS का structure होता है, the basic structure, it says that there should be 4 paragraphs, right? And if you look at the parameters that are actually linked with these 4 paragraphs, so the first 2 parameters, that is task, response, and coherence, it actually says that you should only and only answer what is being asked, and your idea should be in linked. क्या होगा अगर आप 2 की जगह 4 causes भी बता दोगे ना, but you have not elaborated your points, you have simply mentioned your points, you are not going to get more than 6 because you have simply mentioned your points, right? Why I have taken only 2 points? Because it is making the essay clear that these were the 2 reasons which I think I have elaborated them with some supporting ideas. And in conclusion means आप conclude कर रहे हो, in short आप बता रहे हो, right? So conclusion में you are simply going to tell, like moral of the story होता है, right? So you are simply going to tell कि ये और ये reasons थे जिसकी वजह से this problem was occurring, and only when this and this solution will be implemented, this problem would be solved. If you will write something else, it will not be actually in progression with the essay or with the body paragraph that you have explained. उसका link ही नहीं होगा उस बात से जो आपने कही है.
समझ गया, ठीक है.
I hope I have cleared your doubt, Rishi.
Yeah, I have one more doubt regarding our previous session. That
Yeah.
was related to. Can I ask right now? That's a good time to ask.
Previous session on which topic?
That agree and disagree.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Did
So
that as well.
in that session also, you said that once we are agree to some point, then we have to write the complete passage on that area only.
Exactly.
But can't we use that there is always the other side of the coin? So definitely, if we are lacking of words in above passages, that will cover the few, you can say, more lines, I would say. Because
See,
can't we, for 2 passages, if you are in a favor of that topic, 2 passages in a agree point and 1 passage in a disagree point, what other people thinks all about? Is it a wrong way of format, or because being a language?
what happens is if you will talk about the other side, then you cannot say that I completely agree. Then you will say I partially agree, because partially की एक weightage होती है. हम किसी चीज से 80% ज्यादा agree करते हैं और 20% disagree करते हैं, or maybe 50-50, or maybe the ratio varies, right? If see, the topic was agree or disagree. So you have to simply say either you completely agree. अगर आप completely agree करो तो you will only talk about agree points. If you say I agree to some extent, then you can talk about the other side, because you are saying I am not completely agreeing. I am agreeing to some extent.
But ma'am, in the conclusion, then we have to stick to one point. ना उसमें last में हम conclude कैसे करेंगे? क्योंकि in 2 paragraphs we are agreeing the point. If we are partially agree also, and in the 3rd paragraph we are giving a viewpoint of the other person, the other side of the story, then how we will conclude that point? Because in the end we have to stick to one thing only.
See, मेरी बात सुनो. अगर तो आप ये लिखो I agree, I completely agree, then you are only going to talk about those points in conclusion, right? But if you say for example, इसको एक question के साथ समझते हैं. I hope it will be more clear. If you say that आपको question आता है कि जो experiments हैं, right? These experiments on animals. So some people think these experiments are useful and we need to do. So what do you think? ये experiments होने चाहिए या नहीं? Right? So अब इन क्वेश्चंस में से फॉर एग्जांपल ही से कि ये एक्सपेरिमेंट्स होने चाहिए लेकिन उनकी लाइफ के लिए डेट्रीमेंटल प्रूव ना हो, राइट?
agree हो गया.
Then you can talk about both the sides and in conclusion you can say कि to conclude I think experiments जो है वो mankind को बहुत help करेंगे medicine testing में, but I also feel कि experiments government guidelines में होने चाहिए ताकि उनकी लाइफ पे या उनकी लाइफ पे ना आए.
Okay, got it. ठीक है.
Got it?
But
Ma'am.
that means if we are partially agree, then we have a more.
आप म्यूट हो गए ऋषि अपने आप.
Can you hear me, ma'am?
हाँ, now say.
That means if we are partially agree, then we have more paragraphs to write down because we have both viewpoints to discuss, and definitely to conclude, we have to be give a neutral viewpoint. You can say.
Exactly. Yes.
But
Any other doubt?
Ma'am,
Yeah, Ganesh.
after this webinar, ma'am, may I call you because I know the full detail. I'm a little bit confused. So
Yeah,
that's
sure.
the reason I told you.
No issues, Ganesh. You have written our numbers. I hope you have written our numbers.
Yes, ma'am, I written your number.
You can simply, or our team will simply connect with
Okay.
you. You can also share your number with the chat with me in your chat box. I'll simply connect with you after the webinar, right?
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Any other doubt, anyone? Any doubts regarding topic or maybe our classes, how to join, how to make payment?
ma'am, one more last. Are we having weekend batches also?
Pardon?
Are we having weekend batches for professionals?
Yes. You simply just call on the numbers that I have provided in the end. You can simply call, make all your queries, whichever query you have regarding.
No, I have already talked to Ritik also yesterday only, and especially
Okay.
requested that if I wish to study, I will study from you only. That's it.
Okay. Mohit, can you share your contact number, please, so that I can connect with you? And Nitin has also messaged that he also wants to connect regarding fee, timing, cost structure. Nitin, can you please share your number? I have got Ganev's number, Mohit. Are you sharing it with me?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
I have got Nitin's number. So I hope, yes, I have got Mohit's number as well. Thank you. If you have any doubt, you can simply drop your number in the chat box and I'll simply connect with you. My team will connect with you as soon as this webinar ends, and you can clear all your doubts regarding the session or maybe regarding the batches, classes, fee structure, payment mode, anything, any doubt if you have. Okay, so if you do not have any doubt,
Ma'am, please explain the format again.
Latika, you said it?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you want me to do?
Ma'am, please explain format again.
Format? Okay. So I am simply moving to the format slide. Okay, right. So in the format, Latika, the first paragraph is the general statement. In general statement, you paraphrase the question, right? There is thesis statement,
Okay, ma'am.
right? Then in body paragraph 1, your reasons. Body paragraph 2, your solutions. And in the conclusion, you will simply conclude. I hope it's clear now.
Yes, ma'am.
बंद कर दूं screen sharing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, this is my first class.
Okay. So Arpita has messaged me, let Divya join, please. But I think we have ended everything. She's late, actually. Two more people are joining, but actually we have almost done everything. Dia, hi Dia. Dear, you are late. Time was 12 noon for the webinar. Thank you, Nitin. You have written, you have given me a compliment. Thank you for that. Any doubt, anyone? Arpita, any doubt? Or maybe you want to discuss over the call? You can simply message. Okay, so I have a message from Dipanshu that, ma'am, would you provide the complete IELTS training or just an essay writing? Complete. Dipanshu, complete training would be provided. If you want, you can customize and take only if you want, say, writing and speaking module. You can do that as well. You can go for all the modules as well. If you're appearing it for the first time, then I would recommend you to go for complete training because it will actually help you to get a good band score, overall score, right? Okay, I have received payment from Kanika. Thank you, Kanika. See you tomorrow, dear. I hope all your doubts are cleared now.
Yes, ma'am.
So shall I wind up the session or you still have any doubt? Okay then. Bye guys. Take care. See you. Enjoy your Sunday.